So you're probably someone who has a bunch of creative skills. You're very talented, but for some reason you haven't monetized any of your skills yet. Not to worry. Here are 7 creative businesses you can start this year. Number 1, you can teach online. This is something I personally have experience with. I started ESL, English as a second language. I started on Cambly. Cambly is wonderful. The pay isn't as wonderful. I met incredibly amazing folks from everywhere: Japan, Korea, Saudi Arabia, France. Some of my favorite ESL teaching platforms. I said earlier, Cambly. Some others are Preply, VIP Kids, and even Pearson. Some of them have a set rate, and some of them you set your own rate per hour. Number 2, start a blog. If you are like me, you love writing. Writing is your thing, your special thing. Start a blog. Monetize your creative writing skill. Okay. Another part of this is you could write for someone else. So after I started my food and lifestyle blog in 2018, ran it through 2021, I wrote blogs and articles for other creators and businesses. And number 3, sell a course online. With a course, it's almost like you're packaging a service as a product. So say your service is writing. You can create a course on how to write a novel or something. Create that course, which essentially is a service, but you package it as a product. You're not spending your time with, say, one client, sharing that skill and showing them how to write. You're packaging that skill in one course and then selling that to multiple clients and customers. Make sure you make it incredibly valuable. Make sure it's something that you're passionate about, because I see a lot of folks who create courses that are just things you can find on websites and blog posts. So with this one, if you're creating a course, make sure, one, that you're skilled. Make sure you research everything first. Make sure you package it well and promote it well. So once you create your course, right, you can sell and promote it on several platforms like Podia, Kajabi. You can also sell your course on your own website, which I actually recommend as someone who creates websites for others. That just makes you seem a whole lot more professional and serious as a service provider. You can also monetize your own website by selling your courses on there, membership/subscriptions. You can sell anything that you want on your website because it is yours.
Hello, hi, it's me from the future. I'm editing the video and realized that I skipped number 4. I completely skipped it. I'm not sure how, but it happened. So number 4 is sell your crafts and clothes on Etsy. If you have a larger inventory, then you can sell them on Squarespace, Shopify, or Amazon. Thank you. Goodbye.
Number 5, become an influencer or a content creator. I know. Some folks say, influencer? That's not a real job. It's not something serious. It's not real. Don't listen to those people. Don't listen to them, all right? It is absolutely serious. It's real. It's valuable. There's absolutely real money in content creation and influencing, okay? It can be something immensely valuable for yourself as well as your audience. If you are a creative, you're at home, you're multi-talented, you're so talented, you have so many skills and passions, and you haven't monetized it yet, you haven't monetized any of those skills yet, become a creator or influencer. Number 6, if you are like me, you love cooking and or you are skilled at cooking and people love your food, become a personal chef. This is something I personally wish I would have started sooner. I actually wanted in a past life, I wanted to start a restaurant, but that did not pan out for me. So instead, I started a food blog, and that was exceptionally productive for me. And somehow that led me here to starting my own creative agency. But eventually, I would start my restaurant, maybe in my 40s or 50s. We'll see. But anyway, if you're like me, you absolutely love cooking, you love food, then yes, become a personal chef. And number 7, become a freelancer. You have a creative skill, I say monetize it on freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit has a section where it's creative skills, and then it has another section that's more like housekeeping, house cleaning, pet sitting, cooking, gardening. So labor tasks like that. So TaskRabbit is sort of a 2-in-1 platform in that sense. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I hope you subscribe for more content. I've got lots of stuff coming for y'all, so make sure you subscribe and like the video, and I will see you in the next one.